Good morning, everybody. We are over here this morning at Central Louisiana Technical Communities College in the center powered by CLECO. Is that correct?
Correct.
That's where we are. Got a bunch of exciting stuff going on. But I'm going to be talking with Louisiana Central and CLTCC about their summer program geared toward manufacturers. Is that correct this morning?
Absolutely.
Okay, so why this push to expose young folk to careers in manufacturing?
Well, Louisiana Central hosts a manufacturing council, and out of conversations with our industry partners, they really wanted a way to help bridge the gap between our students who are graduating from our K-12 partners and the employers that they need within their facilities. So we came up with a way to host this camp to expose students within our area to the opportunities that are in their back door. And so this camp allows students to tour different facilities, explore the skill sets that are needed, the different career opportunities that are available, and hopefully pique their interest so that they can, once upon graduation, join us here at CLTCC to get the training and the skills necessary to walk into a high-paying, high-demand job.
Okay, Keisha, this was spearheaded by Louisiana Central. Is that correct?
Yes, so our industry partners, like Lindsay said, came to us and wanted to know how we could get the students into their facilities for them to see what they're manufacturing, see that there are high-paying jobs here, and just let them know that you can live here, stay here, work here. You don't have to leave Central Louisiana to get a good paying job. So a lot of the students don't know all the things that are manufactured here. So that's where our slogan, "We Make Good Stuff," comes from. It's because here in Central Louisiana, we do make good stuff.
Now, today you guys are headed.
We're headed to PlastiPack, and then we'll be headed to Procter and Gamble this afternoon. So a lot of the students don't know that Tide Pods are made right here in Pineville,
Right.
or that the containers that they come in are
Oh,
also manufactured in Pineville.
Right here.
They'll get to see that.
So no matter where in the United States, it's a good chance that plastic container that Tide is in could have been manufactured right here in Central Louisiana.
Absolutely.
All right. So Madison, why are you here today?
I'm here because when I heard about the camp from my mom, I always like had an interest in like science and like engineering,
Uh-oh.
and so I wanted to come and like see how all this stuff is like working and like how everything was made and like got to us and like it's getting all over here.
Oh, okay. All right. And what school do you attend?
I attend Lord.
Menard. All right. So still, what got you here this morning?
My dad showed me the camp, and I told him I'd like to join it and figure out what people do and how they do it, so I could eventually learn and maybe participate to one of the companies that manufacture it.
Okay.
Well, my stepmom mentioned about it months ago, and upcoming senior, still kind of confused on what I want to do.
Okay. What school you attend?
But
Oh, Buckeye. So we got Menard, Buckeye, and what school? Pineville. All right. So we have a big
We do.
yeah.
We have Ash, Bolton, Peabody. Let's see, the Virtual Academy. So we have a good melting pot of students.
All right. Let me ask you, because I the manufacturing careers here in our community, are vast. I mean, all over the area. How do you guys plan on growing this program in the?
I think we're going to grow based on a tight partnership that we're going to have with our industry partners, our manufacturing council. The feedback that we get from our students, we're always going to look to refine the process. Any feedback that we have from our community and our stakeholders, if we want the program to grow, if there's more industry partners that want to be a part of it, we're always open to have that conversation. But we do want to grow and expose our students. It might even mean starting a manufacturing club within our school systems so that we can expose students earlier to get their interests and to show them what Central Louisiana has to offer in terms of career paths and staying at home and making great stuff.
Because manufacturing isn't just who runs the machine or who's working in the plant. There's marketing, there's accounting, there's human resources. If you're a nurse, most of these plants have a nursing station. So anything you go to school for, you study, there's a career for you in these plants. So we want to make sure the students know that you have great employers. You have CLECO, UTLX, Hayes Manufacturing, Procter and Gamble, Stella Jones, AFCO, Boise, all of our amazing sponsors. Thank you. But you have these great employers here that pay, they really do pay really well.
Mhm.
It's just making sure the students know about them, because a lot
Right,
of the
right.
programs, even here, they don't know about them. To know that you can come be a machinist, or you can come be an industrial engineer, or a carpenter, or an electrician, and it's needed in plants.
It's amazing the professional level of careers that are in a manufacturing location, like your electrical engineers, civil engineers, and all of that kind of good stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anything else you guys would like to say this morning before we get out of here?
I think we had a great day one. We're super excited about day two
Uh-huh.
and the rest of the week.
Okay, so what happened on day one? Where did you guys?
So day one, we went and visited the Boise Cascade plant
Mhm.
out in Lena.
Mhm.
It is their flagship
Mm-hmm.
location nationwide. And so it was really fun to see a lot of the technology they have behind the scenes,
Mm-hmm.
watch trees get turned into sheets, essentially of paper, to be stacked and pressed to make the plywood that you see in your homes and construction and even in Home Depot. So that was really cool. And then from there, we went to the Clico plant, the brain facility,
Mm-hmm.
not too far down the road, also in Lena, and talked to them about how they really make power
Mhm.
and the electricity that we have from our homes. From there, we went to the MacArthur site of CLTCC
Mhm.
and got to see our line worker program and see the students climb the poles and see the equipment that they have. So we saw how the power was made, and then we saw how it got into your homes.
It's an amazing program that's only 16 weeks. So
Uh-huh.
if you're interested in being a lineman, you can be
Absolutely.
one in 4 months and still be ready to work during hurricanes.
This hurricane is supposedly going to be really busy. All right. Anything else before we get out of here this
We're
morning?
just really thankful to all of our amazing sponsors. We are grateful that we have a community of people that believe in our vision and our goals, that they are willing to invest in these students, and that when we come to them for partnerships and we need things and they come to us, we're able to work together and connect and make good stuff, because that's what we do. But we're really grateful to them, and we're grateful to CLTCC for coming on board with this and being willing to take it over and run with it, but then also letting us use their facilities and just being so gracious. So
It's amazing when the community starts to cooperate. You know,
great things happen.
you guys, from an economic standpoint, saw the need to make sure that we have a pipeline of kids, ready to take these jobs and different things. And then CLTC, hey, come on, we got the training program over here. We can show. Awesome,
So we're
awesome.
very grateful for the partnership, even with CLTC, or with Louisiana Central,
Mm-hmm.
and with our industry partners, that everybody's willing to come to the table, have conversations and dialogue to not only make great stuff, but to build great relationships too.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys so much this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and end the live.
Thank you.